All right, to create a structurally sound budget, there are 5 simple steps that you need to know. So step number 1 is we're gonna list your income. So write down every source of income you have, W-2, 1099, side jobs, anything that's money coming in, get that written down. Step number 2 is we're gonna list all of your fixed expenses. So these are the costs every month that don't change. Your mortgage is the same every month, your rent's the same, your car payment's the same. Whatever is always the same, you're gonna write that one down. Step number 3 is just the opposite of that. We're gonna write down the variable expenses. So utilities, sometimes they're this, sometimes they're that. Credit cards, they go up and down. Groceries, up and down. Spending on clothes and things, up and down. So you want to have those on a separate list. Step number 4 is make a plan to save, okay? If you're not saving now, it's okay. Get started. Anything is better than nothing. The habit is the most important part. And then step number 5 is you're gonna review the lists you've made, and now you're gonna look at it and be very honest with yourself and say, how can we save some money right off the bat? You know, maybe you have Netflix and Hulu, but you don't really watch Hulu that much. All right, get rid of that one. You could go through this list and do that and find several areas where you can immediately save some money. And now you're gonna take that money you just found and you're gonna put it into your savings and get in the habit, and it grows very fast. So try those 5 steps. I think you'll be very impressed with how it goes. Thank you.